Hello, I'm Chef Eric Fraudeau, owner and chef at Cooking with Class Paris, and we are going to do today a crepe batter, the classic one. Those are the ingredients for that batter. You need flours, sugar, eggs, a pinch of salt, and of course milk and melted butter. I'm going to start mixing the dry ingredients, flour, sugar, with my pinch of salt. When this is done, you add the eggs. We mix flour, eggs, sugar, and salt until you get something like this. And then you add a little bit of milk, but not all of it. So that way, you're sure not making any lumps. You're going to get a batter that is pretty thick, as you can see. And this is the moment you need to use your muscles to avoid the lumps. This is a batter that you can do maybe 1 or 2 hours before you make your crepes. I would say the best is to do it the day before. And now you can add the rest of the milk. Some people do half milk, half water. I prefer the full milk. I think the taste is better. All right, here we go. And now, melted butter. Always a little warm so it doesn't get solid as soon as you get into your batter. Voila! The batter is ready. Now we're going to let it rest and we're making a crepe in a few minutes. So we're going to saute the crepe. We're going to cook the crepe in the crepe pan. As you can see, I use non-stick. It's a lot better than that. And we're going to do the French trick. The French trick is to have, it's not a gold coin, but it's supposed to be a gold coin named Louis d'or that nobody has anymore, but tradition supposed to give you good luck for the entire year, not only for a week, for the entire year, and it works, believe me. So we're going to use melted butter in the bottom of the pan. It needs to be hot, like not very very hot, but it needs to be hot enough. As you can see, as soon as I put the butter, there is a little bit of noise in there, and then the first one never works, right? But we're going to try. You put the batter in there. A good ladle, if you don't want to make it too thick, and then you go around like this. There you go. We're going to be sure that it's crispy enough and cooked. There is no more liquid, so you cannot flip if there is any liquid in there. All right, we're going to look at what it looks like. It's almost there. You can also use plastic one. I usually do this to be sure that on the edges it doesn't stick. You can look at inside. There's a little bit more heat maybe. It's about like 2 or 3 minutes on both sides, mostly a little bit longer on the first side. And we're going to see if we can do it. We have the coin, supposed to be like this. And of course, very dangerous, scary. We're going to bake it to make it a little bit drier. It needs a little bit more color than that to be able to flip. Or I'm going to break it. And now is the time. Are you ready? I hope it's not going to stick in the ceiling. Here we are! Ta-da! All right, 2 more minutes on that side, and this is ready. So the crepe is ready now. After 2 minutes on that side, we're just going to flip it like this. We want to be sure. Perfect. Now you can spread a little bit of sugar. My preferred one is sugar, and a few drop of lemon. And this is the best crepe ever. But of course, you can put marmalade, you can put um, caramel sauce, chocolate sauce, mm, chocolate and hazelnut spread. All those things will be lovely. And then you continue. You do the same one. All right. It's a little warmer than before. The French people, they like it, the thinner the better. All right, there we go. And you go on the edges. Let it cook for a few minutes. So now we're ready to flip it up. As you can see, it's moving in the pan. Yep, here we go. Et voilà! Ta-da!